In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting this network cable unplugged error for your Ethernet on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So to fix this, first head to the search menu, type in CMD and then select Run as Administrator. Now in the command prompt window, you will need to enter a couple of commands. So the first one is ipconfig space /flush DNS. Now simply enter this command and hit enter. Now the second command you need to enter is net sh space winsock space reset. Now simply hit enter. After running these two commands, come back to the network connections window, right click anywhere and then select refresh. Now check if the error is resolved. If it's not, simply right click on the Ethernet connection and then select properties. In the properties window, you will need to select this QoS packet scheduler. Now click on configure. Now click on yes. In this window, you will need to go to this advanced tab here. Now scroll down and then find speed and duplex. Now click this drop down menu and then select 100 Mbps half duplex. Now click on OK and see if the issue is resolved. If it's not, come back to this menu. Click the drop down menu again and this time select 10 Mbps full duplex. After that, click on OK and check if the error is resolved now. If you are still experiencing problems, right click on the Ethernet connection again and this time select properties. Now here you will need to go to this IP protocol version 4 and then select configure. Now in this menu you will need to go to this driver tab. Now click on update driver. Select browse my computer, select let me pick and then choose a different driver from here and then click on next. If you still experience problems, click on uninstall device, tick this particular checkbox and click on uninstall again. After you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Windows PC and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.